All right, so this is part two. So I've got my three photos of the paintings. I've got the name of my artist. I've got the artist style or art movement. So in this case, it's Canadian landscapes. And as an extra bonus, I added a photo of the artist. So we did all of that in part one video. So now in part two, we're going to learn how to add the captions for each of these paintings and add the QR codes. So first I'm going to press Control Z. Oh, no, sorry. That Control Z always has you go back. So go Edit, Undo, Redo. Or, no, sorry, Step Forward. So Shift, Control. So I can just go Edit, Undo, Redo. Step forward is Control Z, Shift Control Z. Step backwards is Control Z. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in, so that's Control plus, or the magnifying glass down here. Okay, so I want to add text to this painting. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a rectangle box so that the text can stand out from the background.